They're in the gate. And they're off. Arch Support, Elusive Pearl, and Divalarious break well. Immaculate Cat not far behind. They're followed by My Redbird, who's come out running in fifth. Chute is sixth on the outside. Hessonite is seventh. And Bar eighth. Ruthenia is in ninth. And One Last Dance was off slowly in trails. Up the backstretch run. Elusive Pearl in front. Ramon Dominguez trying to harness that speed, rashing it out to maintain a measured one-length advantage here over Divalarious through a controlled quarter in 24 4/5 seconds. 2.5 lengths back. Immaculate Cat now on hold while running along in third. Arch Support outside her is fourth. My Redbird secures a foothold down inside while running along in fifth position. Hessonite is now sixth. Shot to seventh. Ruthenia eighth, about 8 lengths from the lead, followed by One Last Dance, and Ambar is now the trailer. Into the final half mile after an easy half mile here of 50 2/5 seconds for the front runner, Elusive Pearl. Divalarious has been second throughout. Immaculate Cat has had a beautiful trip so far, just in behind the front runner. Arch Support now comes under a busy ride. My Redbird looms only about 3 lengths from the lead. And then it's Chatouche. Ruthenia down inside, and Ruthenia's a little bottled up in traffic here as the field comes off the turn. Elusive Pearl dashes away. 4-length lead with 1 furlong to go. Hessonite coming fast on the far outside, but Elusive Pearl is indeed elusive. Under a brilliant front-running ride there by Ramon Dominguez, checks in a 3-length winner. Hessonite second, farther back, My Redbird and Divalarious.